Impact of Corona. How Corona impacted Indian economy. 1. Supply side and demand side shock. 2. According to IMF, 4.5% contradistinction. 3. Unemployment around 11%. 4. Moody's slashed India's investment rating from BA3 from BA2. Moody's had changed its outlook of India from stable to negative. But S&P has kept it stable. 5. The output of 8 core infrastructure industries shrank by 23.4%. Barring fertilizer, all 7 sectors, coal, crude oil, natural gas, refinery products, steel, cement, and electricity, had recorded negative growth in May. 6 is food inflation increased to 9%. Consumer Food Price Index. According to independent estimates, overall inflation at 5%. 7. Fiscal deficit might breach 5% mark. State and center deficit may increase beyond 10%. 8. 3 positive aspect: fuel, food, and forex reserve. What are the medium-term impacts on Indian economy? Corona is still there, so predicting medium-term impact is uncertain. I feel that in medium term, due to the reform, our economy will be in good shape. How it impacted global economy. IMF projected at -4.9 growth in 2020. It has also increased protectionist tendencies. Overall global economy is going to see structural changes in next few years. Is India's situation similar to 1991 crisis? Compared to 1991, our macroeconomic parameters are quite stable. But yes, sir, this crisis has provided same situation for reforms. Compare the crisis with 2008 crisis. Sir, 2008 crisis was more demand side crisis. In this crisis, both demand and supply side affected. In that crisis, world supply chain was working well. It is disrupted by Corona crisis. This crisis is definitely bigger than 2008 crisis. Is the $5 trillion aim possible? We have to achieve that target in 2025. It depends on when the crisis over. If crisis over soon, our reform movement and Atmanirbhar Bharat package can help us to achieve that package. Impact on IT sector. In the IT sector, impact is mixed. Product-based IT industries will see demand surge, while service-based industries will lose clients due to economic crisis. Detail impact can only be seen with some lag. Impact on health sector. Initially, health manufacturing impacted due to less import of raw material from China. Non-COVID treatment is also seeing hit. Crisis shows importance of health sector. In the future, health sector can be next IT sector in India. Impact on pharma. Initially, supply-side disruption impacted pharma production. Import of API from China was major issue. But crisis shows importance of pharma sector. In the future, it has potential of growth. Impact on automobile. Supply chain disruption reduced production. Especially e-vehicle production halted due to dependence on Chinese import. But positive thing is that due to social distancing norms, demand for personal vehicle might increase. Impact on retail. Most of the retail products come under essential services. Thus it was least affected sector. Impact on textile sector. 1. Supply chain disruption. 2. Migrants went back home. 3. Demand-supply mismatch, thus rise in price.